And I think it is African, and I think that sound is also African, and I think that's the way it's supposed to be played. Hello fans, there's something I failed to mention about this instrument that I bought at Value Village. This one, as you just saw, and by the way, I just did this last night. It's available. Now back to the instrument. What I failed to mention was the strings are made out of nylon. I guess like a classical guitar would be made of, the strings would be made of the same thing. And what I wanted to mention is the neck. This neck, it pivots. You can turn it this way, or you can turn it that way. Now, I really believe there's a reason for that. I don't believe it's loose. It pivots. And also too, this nylon string, this nylon here, the first piece goes right around and then it circles right back up. It's all one piece. And the other side too, this thing here, same thing. It starts here, circles around, goes right all the way up. Actually, if you think about it, there's only two strings. They're very long strings and they loop around. And I think it is African, and I think that sound is also African, and I think that's the way it's supposed to be played. The frets are flat, so you can't really use a fret. So I think that's it. I think it's an African-made instrument from primitive ages. Ta-ta for now.